Hey, come make breakfast with me. First thing we're cooking on the hex class. Bacon's in. Lit. We need coffee while we cook. Bacon's done. Save your grace. Half a block of cream cheese. 12 eggs. Salt. Pepper. A dash of half and half. Not happy with me. Handful of cheddar. Put all the crispy bacon. Blend. Don't chop my fingers off. Little. Green onions. Save your green onions. Pour in. A little more cheese on top. In she goes. He's changed and happy. Stick of butter. Cup of flour. Add another half a cup. Add a banana. So let's mash one in there. Vanilla. Leftover Greek yogurt. Frittata's ready. Cinnamon. A little honey. 3/4 cup of milk. Mix. I forgot an egg. Mix again. I forgot this too. Baking powder. You baby. Chocolate chips.
Flowers and food.